In this video, we are installing WOODHAVEN planks with Easy Up track and clips over unfinished drywall. You can also install planks directly to floor joists or studs or other existing ceilings using the same Easy Up tracks. Easy Up tracks and clips are ordered separately from the WOODHAVEN planks. Other install options are covered in the product installation instructions, which can be found online. Please make sure you wear proper protective gear for this project, including cut-resistant gloves and safety glasses. You'll need the following tools for the job. Please pause the video here and review. A list of these tools is also available in the product installation instructions, which can be found online. Throughout this video, please note that additional supporting information can be found in this box on the left of your screen. Let's get started. When installing directly to an existing ceiling, find the joists and mark with a chalk line. Running perpendicular to the joists, mark where the tracks will be placed. Start 2 inches from the starting wall. Ensure that you do not have tracks running directly over light fixture holes or other ceiling obstructions. Screw the first Easy Up track, making the screw connection at each joist location. Start 2 inches from the parallel wall, with the end of the track against the perpendicular wall. Attach the second track. No need to place end to end. Simply overlap tracks side by at least 1 inch. Leave a 1/8 inch gap between tracks. For a great-looking ceiling, it is imperative to level your tracks. Continue screwing tracks to joists in the ceiling. At the finishing wall, install the last track 2 inches away from the wall. Pause the video here to determine your border planks by using this formula, or continue the video and print the worksheet later. You can also find this formula in the product installation instructions online. For the first row, you'll need to cut the tongue side off of the length of the plank. Leaving a 1/2 inch gap from the starting wall, screw the first border plank in the center of the plank right up against your starting wall with 1 screw connecting with the track. Snap an Easy Up clip onto every track. Slide the clip on the track until it connects with the groove of the plank. The clip should loosely hold the upper edge of the groove on the plank. Continue to build your ceiling by connecting the tongue and groove on the long side and end of the plank. Ensure a 3/4 inch gap on the finishing wall to allow for expansion. This could be covered by crown molding. In most installations, you should be able to use the leftover cut plank from one row to start the next row with very little waste. Do not use planks shorter than 26 inches to ensure attachment with 2 clips. Double-check your math for the width of the last plank. Measure the remaining distance to the wall and cut off the groove edge of the plank to fit the space. Support the last plank by either screwing it to the Easy Up track at one location or create a ledge using finish nails hammered every 24 inches into the wall directly below the face. Molding will hide screws or nails. We recommend finishing the job with crown molding painted to match other trim in your space. Finally, use a slightly damp rag to remove any dust from your install, leaving you with a beautiful new ceiling. The system is a floating system that allows for natural movement of a home. Ensure that the surface is level and planks are able to smoothly slide within their clips. Never span more than 21 feet without an expansion joint. Cover with trim. Humidity must be maintained between 30 to 70% relative humidity. Open cartons and allow material to climatize for 2 to 3 days prior to install in the space. Installation must be independent of the roof. Do not allow anything to touch the back of the planks, such as insulation. To review the full product installation instructions or learn about other methods for installing WOODHAVEN ceiling planks, visit our website.